In this module, we will be talking about mortality. Mortality is kind of similar to the morbidity. When morbidity talks about illness, mortality talks about the deaths. But their rates and the way we calculate them and we describe them is almost similar. Mortality rate is a measure of the frequency of occurrence of death in a defined population during a specific interval, which can be given by the formula given below, where the numerator will be the death occurring during a given time period, where the denominator will be the size of the population among which the death occurred. When mortality rates are based on vital statistics, for example, the counts of death certificates, the denominator most commonly used is the size of the population at the middle of the time period, which is mid-year population, as it's used in the crude mortality rate. In crude mortality rate, the numerator is the total number of deaths during a given time interval, and it includes all causes of deaths in a population in the given time interval. In Pakistan, crude mortality rate has been non-increasing for past many years, which is a good news. In 2016, the population of Pakistan was estimated to be almost 20 crore, and the total number of deaths for the same year were almost 1.3 million. Then the crude mortality rate was measured to be 6.6. This value means that in the year 2016, there were 6.6 deaths occur per 1,000 people living in a country. To compare the crude mortality rate of two communities is hazardous. We have to look at different variables in different situations, like sex, race, age. We can't compare until we match these different characteristics. We also need to match the socioeconomic status if we want to compare two populations on the basis of crude mortality rate. The comparable characteristics should be other than health conditions that influence the death rate. The other measures are cause-specific mortality rate, where the cause-specific mortality rate talks about the specific cause, all the deaths that happen because of some specific cause, and that goes into the numerator, which are attributed, all the deaths which are attributed to specific cause, and moreover, the denominator will be mid-interval population. The other measure is age-specific mortality rate. By name, it clearly says that it's age-specific, where in the numerator as well as in the denominator, we will fix a specific age group. The numerator will be number of deaths in specific age group, whereas the denominator will be number of persons in that specific age group in the whole population. Infant mortality rate is another measure of mortality. Infant mortality rate is determined for all the children who die before they reach their first birthday. So therefore, the numerator will be number of deaths among children which are less than 1 year of age reported during a given time period, whereas the denominator will be number of live births reported during the same time period. The question comes that is the infant mortality rate a ratio? Yes, indeed, it's a ratio. There are various other measures of mortality, like neonatal mortality rate, fetal death rate, child mortality rate. Child mortality rate is different from infant mortality rate. Infant, it talks about less than 1 year of their age, whereas child mortality rate talks about less than 5 years of their age. Similarly, there are various adjusted or standardized death rates. And finally, there are maternal mortality rates as well.